How you doing? We're going on a trip. Because this vlog is not super cohesive, I'm gonna be stepping in like this occasionally throughout this video. This is my cat. Bam. Yeah, okay. Essentially what we had planned for this trip when we had first started it was we were going to be doing 12,000 miles roughly. Most of that was gonna be solo by myself. When we had left the night that we started this trip, it was like 11 p.m.-ish, and we stopped shortly after, which you'll see right now. So we're pretty much in Illinois right now. I'm using a makeshift selfie stick as a tripod. Setting up the bed right now. Say hi, Joey.
Hi.
So we're gonna be camping here for the night outside the good old dependable
Walmart.
Yeah.
Wally World.
So, but we're stopping early to make sure that it's cool enough for us to sleep in the trailer without getting too fucking hot and sweaty in the morning.
Yeah.
Because that shit would suck. So.
That's gonna be bad. Get a couple Z's and get back on the road.
Exactly. Cool. There's water right there. Oh yeah. Oh baby.
Nice, man.
Sweet. Cool. So we're we'll catch you somewhere in Colorado probably. I don't even know if you can see me. Sure. Let's go. Now the reason that we slept in the trailer was because we were trying to do the entire trip without staying in a hotel once. Yeah, it was pretty intense. What do you say?
What do I say? I say we slept pretty good.
Hey, that's pretty good.
It's not too bad. Got a little warm, but helped us push to get up and out. I gotta pee.
Yeah.
I gotta race like a piss horse.
It's hot as balls. I never signed up for this shit.
I didn't sign up for this. How am I supposed to get over there?
Oh man. So we found this town. We were gonna grab some food, but they don't serve food on Sundays apparently. And
Pretty dead. Pretty dead.
so we're gonna find some food. But this place looks like a movie scene instead of a town. Just nothing. So, let's roll.
Another wonderful night in the Walmart parking lot.
For those of you who don't know, Walmart is a public parking lot, campground thing at night. So if you guys ever need a place to stay when you're traveling, Walmart is the best place to do it. Not best place, it's a place you can do it at. Yeah.
This time, we're a little bit further away. We have a little bit more privacy. So.
Yeah, this should be red. And we should be better set up for tonight.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully. Let's go check out our MTV crib for the night.
You boys got this shit on lock.
Don't yell at me.
Yell at you if I want to yell at you. Sorry about that. I didn't yell.
I chose the wrong partner for this trip. I gotta make the bed still. There's a moped. There's a moped there. It's a bunch of shit. This really is not professional at all, but it's working. See you tomorrow, my dudes.
See you tomorrow. Sleep tight.
Good morning.
Cereal. Put your hand down.
Looks at me. Before we get too far into this too, you guys are gonna see some people that aren't, or at least probably not going to be continued in the vlog series. I mean, anything can change his life. Woo, yeah. But you guys are probably wondering who this weird tan shirtless dude is in the video so far, and that's my friend Matt. I grew up with him. He's super awesome. Let's continue. I thoroughly apologize for the wind noise in this next section. There's nothing I can do about it.
See you later, alligator. Don't trip.
Yeah, this is pretty crazy. So I'm like barely off the road, but I don't have hardly anywhere to park with the trailer. So, but you can see the white line. We're fine. Right, we're gonna hike up a little bit and get some better views. Yeah, this is so cool. So we're gonna go up to the top of that. Actually, no, we're going to the top somewhere. Yes, sir. It's not like I got a bunch of camera equipment on me. I feel lightheaded in the best way. We're right there on that cliff. Oh, you realize this is gonna be a bit taller, maybe about a couple inches. So we're taking a nice little stroll over here. Alright, so we parked at the top of this place, and some good Samaritan, if you ever see this, thank you so much, put rocks in our tires because apparently my e-brake is garbage and the transmission wouldn't hold the weight on this slope.
At this point, I cannot stress enough how stressful and scary and amazing this whole experience was, because we had walked down the cliff. Short story time. We'd walked down this cliff and or the mountain where we were hiking, and I guarantee you I parked like maybe a foot away from this guy's car. The guy who you were seeing, his name is Adam. He was super cool. We met him on the hike, and we come down and I'm like 3 to 4 car lengths away from his car. My car had started drifting down the cliff, and if somebody didn't block my tires for me, we would have lost everything in the Rocky Mountains, which would have been terrible. Been a terrible way to start the trip. We're only like 3 days in at this point. Let's roll it.
I gotta get you guys' number. I'm gonna stab you, man.
Oh yeah, I'll let you see if you can turn it into a little pie or whatever. Oh god, yeah. Yeah, we need a video of this amazing treat we're all gonna indulge ourselves in.
Yes.
Look at that thing. So tasty.
As long as it doesn't...
Oh, it's split too. Nice. That's some pretty rich looking chocolate.
Yeah, there's a macadamia nut.
Oh, is there stuff inside of it?
Yeah, oh, it's peanut butter.
Okay,
Cool.
it's solid peanut butter, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Looks like that fresh stuff, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Damn. Yeah, that looks so much different than Reese's. Well, here, look. It's like Homer Simpson, peanut butter.
Right.
Let's do a taste test. Rocky Mountain Candy Company, here's your review. Now that's damn tasty. Wow.
Oh yeah, cool.
You're gonna love that. That's some good peanut butter. Try that. Oh wow. Yes.
Cheers.
Very pleased. So cheers.
Cheers.
Toast to peanuts.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm allergic to peanut butter.
What? Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no, oh no.
Video of the ambulance coming up the road.
This trip was supposed to be 12,000 miles long. This is the first part of that entire trip. And you guys can continue to watch that and see how the rest of it goes. But I do want to add that the part with Adam where we were cutting the peanut butter cup up, I had done probably the dumbest thing I've ever done in my life, and I left our car keys inside my trailer, which also had the trailer keys on it. So we spent probably about an hour and a half trying to get these keys out, and we had numerous people stop and help us and try to help us. And Joey had made a sign saying we had left our keys in the car, and I don't think anybody stopped at the sign, but this had happened almost 6 months ago at this point. Oh, but by the way, this happened almost 6 months ago, so take that for what you will. So because of me locking my keys in my car, in my trailer, I had kind of lost my urge to vlog, except for this last part where we're up at, 12,000 feet, and yeah, you'll find out how much of a gap there is between Rocky Mountain Park and where we went after this in the next part. But thank you guys so much for watching. I am trying to get trying to get the urge to get back into editing and posting frequently. I want to try so hard this time to post frequently because I have so many things in the works right now. I have so many videos to give you guys, and I just have been so bleep this in the last couple months with stress and work and other things and personal stuff and health. So thank you guys so much for watching this. I super appreciate it. And also, thank you so much for getting me past 200 subscribers. It's super awesome. Yeah, it may not seem like a big milestone, but it is for me, so I appreciate it so much. Let's roll the outro.
Wow.